Okay, now we are here in Sandy Beach. This is the real Sandy Beach. Beach na ito ng asawa ko. Kay Sandy. Ate Arabella. Hi, Ara! Sa nakatulong ng pinahang balon. Ito. Moon. Ay. Balik pala kami sa Verde 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yan, sa kawadyangan ma. Kung liwat, tarabukon.
Okay, tatabok.
Kabadyagan, tapos na ito sa'yo ma.
Last night I got completely knocked out.
Knock out? What's that?
Means I thought I sleep.
Good morning. Yeah, you sleep immediately. You knock out immediately. Oh, come. Good morning. Yan na namin Sandy Beach naman. Sandy Beach. Kuya Mil still sleeping. Good morning. Okay. We are preparing for our nagkakapi na magkakapi. Nakabawat pa pagmakanim ko an. Glasses, tayo.
Mommy, I think I added too much in my hand.
Huh? Put it in your, this one here. Ay, kuya, to ka sleeping. May amil. Practice, they're practicing. Ano man din ang madadakpan? Tindi ulit.
Umor! Yo, come here.
Fishing naman ngayon.
Hey, how'd you fish?
Papa, awal mo ngayon. Ha? We are eating. Oh, what video ko? Madali kitang kawin. Ang kaulog na. Ano pa na ba? Pagsayaw. Pagpusing ni mamay.